Are you spending hours trying to edit TikToks only to give up before posting? Let me show you how this free AI tool can create fully animated TikTok videos for you in just minutes. No editing skills required. Here's an example that I created earlier.
Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee, grown in high altitudes, holds a unique flavor among the finest in the world. Each cherry is handpicked with care, ensuring only the best beans are harvested for this premium brew. The process requires expertise and dedication, with farmers tending their crops to perfection and serene surroundings. After harvesting, the coffee goes through meticulous processing, transforming Shiraz into the beautifully roasted pigment. Enjoy the exquisite coffee brewed to perfection. Every sip is a celebration of Jamaica's rich grind and flavor.
TikTok is one of the best ways to grow an audience right now. The problem, editing is slow and most people quit before they even upload. But with this AI tool, you can turn your ideas into animated TikToks instantly. I've been testing it myself, and honestly, it saves me hours every week. The tool that we're talking about is none other than Clipwise AI. Instead of spending hours editing manually, you can type in your script or paste content and it automatically generates a ready-to-post animated TikTok. Here's how it works. The first thing you'll need to do is head to Clipwise AI, links in the description. Then you're going to be redirected to a page like this and you can choose to sign up with your Google account or you can simply enter in your email address. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a page just like this. And from here, you can type in your prompt or you could choose to, for example, put in a YouTube video that you would like to repurpose or blog posts or even podcasts. Then after doing that, you're going to choose your animation style or template. So you're going to tap right here on View All and you can see the different template options that you can choose from. Whether you like dark intensity, documentary style, or you want elegant realism, you can select whichever one of these options. Let's say we were to select documentary style. After selecting the style that you want, you're just going to tap on Generate Video. Once you have selected Generate Video, you're just going to give it a few seconds and you'll have a TikTok video completely ready to go. And here's the crazy part. Check this out. This is one of the TikToks that I generated earlier. It takes me less than 3 minutes to make and you can see it right there.
The Grand Canyon dazzles with its vast beauty, showcasing stunning rock formations. The colors dance in the sun. Next, the Maldives beckons with its idyllic beaches and stunning ocean views, perfect for relaxation and adventure alike. Then,
and if we should go back to the one that I was creating earlier, you can see the visual text. So you put edit the scenery that you want. You can also edit the voiceover or audio, better yet, for each scene. Then after you have done that, what I want you to do next is go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on My History. Since we're on the free plan at the moment, and you're going to see the draft of the video that you're creating, you're just going to tap on draft. Then from here, you can choose the narrator, gender, and also the voice and tonality. And I do believe that their voiceovers are very good.
This is a quick audio test.
You can hear them right there. So you can select whichever one of these voiceovers you like to use. After selecting the voiceover that you want, you're going to scroll down and you can again edit the script. You can also change the picture and you're just going to scroll down and you can see the different scenes. If it is a case that you like to add more scenes, you can do that. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Convert All Images to Videos in the bottom right hand corner. Then you're just going to tap on Next. Then from there, you're going to see the option Convert Images to Video. For now, you're just going to tap on No Continue. After selecting No Continue, you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, you'll be able to choose the background music, and by scrolling down, you can also choose the caption style and the video overlay. And you can see our video is being generated in the right hand column. And again, it takes only a few seconds. While that video is being generated,
Valencia is home to breathtaking
as you can see
sights,
right here, some of the times it comes up like this. All you need to do is simply refresh the page. After you have refreshed it, if we were to tap
Valencia is
and
home
play,
to
you
breathtaking
can see
sights,
how it looks
starting
now.
with the futuristic city of arts and sciences glowing their door. Next, Turia Gardens provides a picturesque escape with its abundant greenery, perfect for exploring nature and relaxing.
Once it is to your liking, you'll select generate video, and again to generate the video you'll need to go onto their paid plan. And their paid plan begins at $25 per month, and it can go up to $63 per month depending on the quality that you want and also the amount of videos that you're planning to produce per month. What I would recommend you do though is go onto their yearly plan. With their yearly plan, you'll only be paying for 5 months, as you'll be getting 7 months free with their annual plan. And again, I'll be leaving a link in the description that you can use to sign up if you're interested. And thank you for watching.